Supreme Court Justice Pankaj Mithal has ignited a conversation about legal education in India. He advocates for a significant change. Justice Mithal proposes integrating ancient Indian legal and philosophical traditions into law school curricula. This is not just about adding subjects. It is about shaping a legal education that is uniquely Indian. Justice Mithal envisions law schools where students delve into ancient texts alongside modern law books. He suggests incorporating subjects like Dharma and Indian legal thought. He also proposes foundations of Indian jurisprudence as a core subject. By studying these subjects, students can gain a deeper understanding of Indian legal history. This vision extends beyond theoretical knowledge. Justice Mithal sees a direct link between ancient wisdom and contemporary legal issues. He believes that ancient concepts can shed light on modern challenges. For example, the concept of samatva, or equality, can be connected to Article 14 of the Indian Constitution. Justice Mithal's call for change comes at a crucial time. As India celebrates 75 years of independence, it is an opportune moment to reflect on its legal identity. Integrating ancient legal traditions can help shape a legal system that is both modern and rooted in its cultural heritage. India has a rich legal history that stretches back millennia. This history is not just a collection of ancient texts, it is a living tradition that continues to influence Indian society. Integrating ancient Indian legal traditions into modern legal education is not about romanticizing the past. Ancient Indian legal texts offer valuable insights into concepts of justice, governance, and social order. They provide a framework for understanding the evolution of law in India. These texts also offer alternative perspectives on contemporary legal issues. For example, the concept of dharma, a complex term often translated as duty, righteousness, or cosmic order, played a central role in ancient Indian law. Understanding dharma can provide insights into the ethical foundations of law. It can also help students grapple with complex legal dilemmas. Moreover, ancient Indian legal traditions emphasized the importance of community-based dispute resolution. These traditions, often rooted in the panchayat system, offer valuable lessons for modern alternative dispute resolution mechanisms. By studying these ancient practices, law students can develop a more nuanced understanding of conflict resolution. Integrating ancient traditions is not about replacing modern law. It is about enriching and contextualizing it. It is about creating lawyers who are not just equipped with legal knowledge, but also possess a deep understanding of the cultural and philosophical underpinnings of Indian law. The Vedas, ancient scriptures composed in Sanskrit, stand as the foundation of Indian philosophical and legal thought. These sacred texts, consisting of hymns, prayers, and rituals, offer insights into the concept of Dharma, a guiding principle in Indian life. The Vedas emphasize the interconnectedness of all beings and the importance of living in harmony with nature. From these foundational principles emerge early notions of justice, emphasizing righteousness, truthfulness, and the pursuit of cosmic order. While not legal codes in the modern sense, the Vedas provide the ethical and moral framework upon which later legal systems were built. The Upanishads, philosophical texts that form part of the Vedas, delve deeper into the nature of reality, consciousness, and the self. They explore the relationship between the individual and the universe, emphasizing the importance of self-realization and the pursuit of knowledge. The Upanishads influence Indian legal thought by emphasizing introspection, ethical conduct, and the pursuit of higher truths. Understanding the Vedas and Upanishads is crucial for grasping the philosophical underpinnings of Indian law. They provide the ethical and spiritual context for later legal developments. Incorporating these texts into the law school curriculum can foster a holistic understanding of law. The Smritis, meaning that which is remembered, are a collection of texts that provide more specific guidelines for social and legal conduct. Unlike the Vedas, which focus on broader philosophical principles, the Smritis address practical aspects of human life, including family matters, inheritance, contracts, and crime. These texts, composed by various sages and scholars, reflect the evolution of legal thought in ancient India. They offer detailed prescriptions for maintaining social order, resolving disputes, and administering justice. The Smritis emphasize the importance of Dharma in all aspects of life, outlining the duties and responsibilities of individuals within a structured society. One of the key contributions of the Smritis is the development of the concept of vyavahara, which refers to legal procedures and the administration of justice. The Smritis outline the role of the king as the upholder of Dharma and the dispenser of justice. They also emphasize the importance of witnesses, evidence, and fair trial in legal proceedings. While the specific laws and punishments outlined in the Smritis may seem archaic today, they provide valuable insights into the evolution of legal concepts. Studying these texts allows law students to trace the development of legal principles and understand the historical context of modern Indian law. Section 5. Manusmriti, a controversial text, a window into ancient laws. The Manusmriti, attributed to the ancient sage Manu, holds a prominent place among the Smriti texts. It is a comprehensive treatise on law, social norms, and governance, providing detailed prescriptions for various aspects of human life. This text has been both revered and criticized for its hierarchical social structure and strict moral codes. It outlines the duties and responsibilities of different classes and castes, emphasizing the importance of maintaining social order. While some scholars argue that the Manusmriti reflects the social realities of its time, others criticize its rigid social hierarchy and its potential for perpetuating discrimination. Despite the controversies, the Manusmriti remains a significant text for understanding ancient Indian law. It offers insights into the evolution of legal concepts, family structures, property rights, and the role of the king in maintaining justice. Studying the Manusmriti within its historical context and with a critical lens can provide valuable perspectives on the development of Indian legal thought. It is crucial to approach the Manusmriti, like any ancient text, with scholarly objectivity. Recognizing its historical context and acknowledging both its contributions and its limitations is essential for a nuanced understanding of ancient Indian law. Section 6. Arthashastra, ancient treatise on statecraft and legal systems. The Arthashastra, attributed to the scholar and advisor Kautilya, also known as Chanakya, stands as a seminal work on statecraft, political economy, and legal systems. This comprehensive treatise provides a pragmatic guide for rulers, outlining strategies for governance, diplomacy, warfare, and the administration of justice. Unlike the Smritis, which focus primarily on Dharma, the Arthashastra takes a more pragmatic approach, emphasizing the practical considerations of maintaining order and security within a state. It outlines the importance of a strong central authority, a well-organized bureaucracy, and a system of laws and punishments to deter crime and maintain social harmony. The Arthashastra's insights into espionage, diplomacy, and political strategy have made it a subject of study for political scientists and historians alike. Its emphasis on the balance of power, the importance of a strong economy, and the need for a just legal system continues to resonate in contemporary discussions on governance and international relations. Incorporating the Arthashastra into the law school curriculum can provide students with a deeper understanding of the historical evolution of legal systems. It can also foster critical thinking about the relationship between law, politics, and power. Section 7. Bridging the Gap, Connecting Ancient Wisdom with Modern Constitutional Values. India's legal landscape today is shaped by its constitution, a document that embodies modern principles of justice, equality, and individual rights. While drawing inspiration from various sources, including Western legal traditions, the Indian Constitution also reflects the country's rich legal heritage. Connecting ancient Indian legal wisdom with modern constitutional values requires recognizing the continuities and discontinuities between the past and the present. While certain ancient practices may seem outdated or even antithetical to modern sensibilities, others resonate with contemporary legal principles. For example, the concept of samatva, or equality, deeply rooted in ancient Indian thought, finds expression in Article 14 of the Constitution, which guarantees equality before the law. Similarly, the ancient emphasis on environmental protection, evident in the reverence for Prakriti, or nature, aligns with the Constitution's provisions on environmental protection and sustainable development. Furthermore, the ancient Indian tradition of Panchayat, which emphasizes community-based dispute resolution, resonates with the modern emphasis on alternative dispute resolution mechanisms. By highlighting these connections, law students can develop a more nuanced understanding of how ancient wisdom informs and enriches contemporary legal practices. Section 8. Echoes of the Past. Ancient dispute resolution in contemporary India. India has a long tradition of resolving disputes outside formal court settings. The Panchayat system, with its roots in ancient village councils, played a crucial role in maintaining social harmony and resolving conflicts at the community level. While the Panchayat system has evolved over time, its core principles of community involvement, consensus building, and restorative justice continue to influence dispute resolution mechanisms in contemporary India. The emphasis on mediation, conciliation, and arbitration rooted in ancient traditions finds expression in modern ADR mechanisms such as Lok Adalats and mediation centers. Moreover, the principles of compromise and reconciliation, central to ancient Indian legal thought, resonate with the modern emphasis on restorative justice, which focuses on repairing harm and restoring relationships rather than solely on punishment. By studying these ancient practices, law students can gain a deeper appreciation for the value of ADR and its potential for achieving just and equitable outcomes. Section 9. Shaping a Unique Jurisprudence: The Impact of Integrating Ancient and Modern Law. Integrating ancient Indian legal traditions into the modern law school curriculum is not merely an academic exercise. It has the potential to shape a unique Indian jurisprudence, one that is both rooted in its cultural heritage and responsive to contemporary challenges. By studying ancient texts alongside modern legal principles, law students can develop a more nuanced understanding of the evolution of legal thought. They can also gain valuable insights into alternative approaches to justice, governance, and social order. This integration can lead to the development of legal professionals who are not only well-versed in the law, but also possess a deep understanding of the cultural and philosophical context in which it operates. This can lead to a more culturally sensitive and contextually relevant application of the law. Moreover, integrating ancient wisdom can foster innovation in legal thinking and practice. By drawing on the rich tapestry of Indian legal thought, legal professionals can develop creative solutions to contemporary challenges, contributing to the growth of a vibrant and dynamic legal system.